Fóg Éire ógan Aonaigh an 10 chréibh Tipperary ha Buaicphointí siar 95. Idir an dálaing ha tainach beag chu brisir crí agus chuig le Ceannais caiite chu an aireoltas an bhirna húscart an countédal céimis fudum líana. Nun aireolta Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh bring lód a go héana bhaintach as rá chréibh sa chéile bhuachant den chiad óras dar an chuming. Bhí Brian Tyres is Calmór in ordas éile den count seo.
Dennis wil ik het score wachten. Mannen mag geweldige semafor. Tussen Ceannais en Morris en de geholig kan broeden al eerder een vertiente. Stechen Zogdi kan liet hassen het technisch gehaling in de goede hou. Paint on the verfad again Ed Connolly.
Eamon and Donald said it to us at the start of the year. Like the way they put it was, do you want to do it or do you really, really want to do it? And we showed there today that we really, really want to. I think we showed it all year. Going so well in the football, unfortunately we got bet last week, but that probably took a bit of the distraction off back to back. There was never really much talk for during the year, a small bit during the week this week, but we're well seasoned now at this stage not to get into our heads like just knuckle down and drive on.
En snitter de of de Hebre. Is tegen zoals token gehalinger van Sonnig Philip Hickey. In eigen goede mag, on painty bed is hard on home. Cormac can give me down a chlare, agus shin on a fuck schlasse, agus tasha will gaffa, Harrison Trastone.
Goals this time of year, huge scores for the Árann. He went in off the goal.
See you in about boys! Dermot McTiernan, another smassa yetach Tarlunta and Vajoish.
We knew how we were going to get off Neenagh, like just we're playing Neenagh since primary school. We've had serious battles with them the whole way up along juvenile into senior again.
You have Atara ach Painte. Tá henna dó fachta, nis marsin to hen chances tachni Philip Hickey! Diant an iasig Mason Corrin, hwtach yn cyn gach Buaicphointí. Mas fed o'r ordach sin dianta, agus sin bwyd y trustig Tommy Heffernan and the head of Painte.
To go back to back, like, it's unbelievable. They're the second half. I think we went 6 points up and they got back to a draw. And
Tasha Mihan a great play.
Yeah, the second one was we needed that to kind of drive on, and that pushed us on there again.
John McGrath, agus Tála Costa to Cluiche. Kerry Dirgan Corcomon, the Chudavaras or Lagachan Talona, Shachud Liam McGrath, agus Mehistach. And I know in Éire Dermot McTiernan.
God, we drove it on there again, and geez, was just some feeling there in the second half. Everyone just bought that extra 1%, like just drove it on, and like it was an absolute battle there the whole way through. Like it could have went anyway, but thankfully we just dug that little bit deeper and got over the line.
Agus is Norson, tá an chréibh Buaicphointí, bouta bhainile again Luachma Caisleán Laighnigh, an séú chréibh a cá, the hinnidir an count am atá.